All right, so I am going to go over how to do blend shapes in Blender. Typically, our simple way, make little sliders, and you can program, or I'm sorry, not program. You can assign certain vertices and faces to interact with these sliders. So, for example, you could have like a simple face model, and that's how you could make the controls to make the eyebrows go up and down, or the mouth go open and close, and you know, wide, close, all that. I know this is weird, funny. I know. Make fun. I don't care. But I'm going to show you how to do it real simple. And it'll be a real simple face. It might look a little creepy, but follow along with me. All right. First thing we're going to do is we are going to get rid of all that stuff because we don't really need that at all. As such is with all cube. And we will just go here, go add mesh, and let's add a sphere. I would just leave it basic as it is, as it defaults. This is just me weird having to make everything level like that, but okay. Alright, cool. So go here, let's go into edit mode. Let's go over, click our faces. Alright, so let's select the eye rings like this. Okay. Here, add group. Let's name it. Say eyes. And then when you're selected, still in edit mode, here click sign right here. Now, head shape keys, we have to come down here and we have to make them, but you have to be in object mode. It's weird. So you have to make two, otherwise it won't work. You have to make one, which is your basis, which, to be honest with you, I'm gonna get back to you and find out what it really means, but I think it's just like the base form, like what it needs to be, like what you want it set as. Like think of a figurine that's posed, it's like it's T-pose or something simple like that to go back to keep things at default. So that, and then we should create another one. There we go. When it says key one, that's what we're looking for, because then you get these sliders right here, and this is what we want. So what we're gonna do, this eyes open. Even though they're open now, we're gonna make it a little bit wider. All right, so what we do is, since they're open, where they are right now is pretty. So what we want to do is we're going to set the value all the way to 1, max as it'll go, while the object's selected and before you go into edit mode. Now, over here, edit mode, see, make sure that we have our vertex groups here, the eyes, selected. And what we want to do is, this is where we're going to manipulate the vertices. And I will just do something simple here, and I will just size them. Now, I'm also going to throw in the little smooth tool right here. Let's see here. Set that down to about, let's do 0.3, because I want everything smoothly. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so there, that kind of looks like expression right there. So, got that set, right? Now, back to object mode. Tweak right here. There you go. That's a simple blend shape or shape key in Blender here. Now, animate it. Simple. Right here is where you set your keyframe. So let's just do a quick one. So what we'll set it at 0. Let's come up. Let's do 100. And then let's put it at about maybe 0.75. Let's make sure, check that keyframe. Just so we can back. Let's go back here. Go to frame 200, and then let's put our value 0, so it puts it back in its neutral expression. Blend. Let's see what it looks like. Really slow. But it is also, let's change our. So we go to output let's do 30. Thanks to digital stuff, we can just do it like that now. I don't have to redo everything. But there you go. And then go right back down. And that's just the eyeball. And you know what? Let's go ahead and animate the mouth as well. So let's go back, make sure our object's selected. Back to the data tab here. Alright, so back to the 0, so everything's at neutral. Cool. So now let's come up here. Let's add a new vertex group. This one's gonna be called mouth. Okay, so let's come up here, edit. Just select it. Now you can pick different vertices. You can pick inside the mouth there if you want it deep. But you know, since I use the smooth tool, this is just a very simple illustration. You know, less is more sometimes because you don't want to get everything selected because then it might not mold the way you want it to. It just won't look good and things will get all start Z5. It's just, let's just not do that. Less is more sometimes. Trust me. All right, so got that selected. Let's go ahead and assign that. All right, now we gotta go back to object mode. We gotta create a shape key. Let's do mouth close. Let's turn the value all the way up. Back to edit mode. Let me drop that just a little bit. Let's do 5. Eyes don't get dragged as much. Yeah. Let's close. Alright, cool. And back to object. Boom, boom. Chomp, 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 chomp. So there you go. And this is how you just do a simple shape keys and or blend keys, should I say, in Blender. Totally forgot. So said I know this face is a little creepy, but it was simple and it's cool because now you can just, you know, animate it. And you know what? Before we close this video out, we already did it. Let's just do something with it. So that, do it. Oh. Oops. Alright, let's do no. Let's do I'm just doing just random entries just so we can buy 100 instead of this. Just go back to okay. Then buy 150. So this is gonna look crazy. To make it a little bit easier, just throw material up there. That's creepy. Oh, can't even see him. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so imagine you can do that with anything, any of your models that you don't want to do rigging. This is a nice way if you have a simple model or if you just want to do some simple animation. Now, like I said, have rigging. Rigging's not everybody's favorite, but it does sometimes need. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe if you see more like this. Give me suggestions on stuff you want to see me do. I love to play with the fluid simulators and mad scientists, just, you know, do whatever I can and see what the results are. So just let me know. Thanks for watching.